Everybody, Scipio8288 coming at you with another way to make money online. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make $1,000 per Instagram post. Very excited to share this information with you guys today. So we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. First thing you want to do is we're going to create, or if you have an existing Instagram account, you can use that. It's up to you. But either way, the method that I'm about to show you works whether you have a following, whether you don't have a following, whether you have an Instagram, a Facebook, a YouTube, whether you don't, so on and so forth. You just apply the tactics that I show you today to whatever platform you're using, and you should see yourself some results. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to like, comment, subscribe, especially if you like making money online and you would like to see more content like this in the future. We're going to go ahead and go to Instagram.com. I hope the audio is good on this. I can't be too loud. Kids are doing homeschooling. So if you hear the teacher in the background, that's what it is. And as I said, this works whether you have an Instagram or not. So what I'm going to do for the purpose of this video is I'm going to go ahead and create an Instagram account. Let's do that. You go to Instagram.com, sign up. Whoops, log it. Six, right? And then you're just gonna put in your name and whatever you want to be your username. And create a password. Right, they want you to put in your birthday. Simple enough. And as I said, once this is done, you guys see results. I get right into the nitty gritty here. Not that old. There we go. And if you want, you can lie about it. You can make yourself as old or as young as you want to be. It just sent a verification. Get that?
Your message?
Code verification. Then you're gonna enter your verification code and confirm. And apparently that is the last step. Let's see. Alright, so I'm not going to turn on notifications or anything. As a matter of fact, I'm not even going to keep this. I have an Instagram account, but it's just for the purpose of showing you guys how this system works and how you can benefit making money from that. Okay, so you have your Instagram account, whether it's new or you have a pre-existing Instagram account. What you're going to do is we are going to look for pages, Instagram posts of people that like to read books. Believe it or not, books is a hot commodity. People actually still reading. It kind of blew my mind. It's not all about the audio books. It's not all about, what type of preferences you like or not. People just explore just to get basic knowledge of what's going on, what's being presented out there into the world. We're going to go ahead and look for groups on books, pages on books. And very important, you gotta make sure that when you search for these pages, you're gonna get a page with somebody over 10,000 followers. That is very important. That's important for your success, and it also makes sense with the law of averages. If you imagine, you get 10,000 people. If you get 100 people to like your product or buy your product, that's commission. So you just take whatever number you have, multiply that by 100, and that's what you got. Let's go ahead and get into that. So right now, you type in books, you see some groups come up here. I got Penguin Books. And write these down too, people, as if you're not doing this along with me and you want to go back to it later, you can write down the pages so you can actually jump right into it. Yeah, look, you got Penguin Books here. Go ahead. I'm going to follow them. What else we got? Under books. We have Book Smart, Usborne Books, Formy Books, Bookstagram. Over 50 million posts. Okay, let's take a look at that. I see I want to follow. Right, let me just try. As a matter of fact, I have. What did I? Book Lala. That's also a good page. 65,000 followers, 790 posts. Let's go ahead and get in on there. Do I have anybody else here? Oh, got one more that I use. And is this the right one? 22,000 followers. So we're gonna go ahead and follow them. And again, people, remember, it's very important they have followers. They already have an established following. You don't need to have followers. They need to have followers. The more, the better. The more, the merrier. You've already heard the saying. All right, so what you're going to do, you're going to do that same method. You're going to find these pages with these influencers, people with followers on books. You're going to do that for about 10 to 15 more pages. So at the end of the day, or at the end of this process, you should end up with between 100,000 to 500,000 pages with followers. Well, followers rather. After you do that, for the next 10 to 15 pages, you are going to go to audible.com and you're going to become an affiliate. Or you can simply just go to Google, because I know sometimes the actual site, for some reason, Amazon misdirects. You may get an error message. So just go ahead, go to google.com, and in your search bar, type in Audible affiliate. Audible affiliate. Caught my video previous how to make money online with Amazon. You can skip this step because you're already affiliated. If not, you can go back to my channel. You can go back to my channel and search again Scipio_0828. Pull up my pages, open it up, and let me see, look at my videos. Okay, and right here on how to make money with Amazon shows you how to sign up with Amazon. And this right here, Mission Possible, how to steal your promo links, actually shows you how to take your affiliate link from the Amazon market so you can use it to promote. Take a look at those videos if you haven't, if you're confused or need some assistance with moving forward with this. Either way, what I really want to show you is the Audible affiliate program. See how simple this is. And again, this doesn't require any purchases. All of the accounts are free. I'm not asking anybody for any credit card information. Send me any type of money. All of this information you can verify on your computer yourself. And again, it is free, absolutely free. You don't have to run Google ads. You don't have to pay developers. It's free. And with Instagram, that is a method to get yourself generic traffic going. All right, so what you want to do after you Google Audible affiliates, you can see right here somewhere in the middle of the page, it says become an affiliate. Click that, you sign up, become an affiliate. The reason that I choose Audible is because, take a look at this. This is the fee structure. This is the fee structure. The Audible memberships offer you a free trial. If you get someone to sign up, every time you get someone to sign up, you get $5. If they get an audio book, you get 50 cents. Doesn't sound like much, but again, we're working against the law of averages. This is the reason why you have to pick a page with over 10,000 followers. Again, the more, the better. And if they just so happen to get a gold membership, you're looking at $10 a pop. You imagine, like I said earlier in my example, you get 10,000 followers, you put a post out there, which I'm going to show you how. 100 of those people sign up, you get $1,000. Easy for the cost or for the time that it took you to watch this video. All right, and follow along. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to go to audible.com. You're going to go to Google, search Audible affiliates. Either way, however you get there, you're going to sign up. After you sign up, you are going to follow me to, I'll have it open here, Shoutcart.com. Shoutcart.com. I have it right up there in the browser if you need to take a look at it. Remember, guys, you want to use your https://www.shoutcart.com. https protect your information as you're browsing through websites, especially if you're not familiar with it. Some people may be concerned about their information, but again, that is how you browse safely and protect your information while browsing. https://shoutcart.com. You're going to sign up. I already have an account. You're going to sign up. It's free again, and from there you're going to go ahead and browse influencers. Now, what this site does is it allows you to find social media influencers that have already established themselves a firm foundation or a following. You're going to use that following to send traffic to your website, traffic to your promotion, traffic to your Instagram page. As long as you make sure that your content is in alignment with what you're telling people, you shouldn't have any problems with closing a sale. Your advertisement says, hey, I'm doing automotive books, and then you send them over to an automotive page. You have an automotive product. As long as your content holds value, as long as you give them some type of value, you shouldn't have any problems with making a sale. They may not buy today, but it's the same as you. You don't buy on the same day. Sometimes you wait until you get a little extra money. You may buy in a week. You may buy at the end of the month. But long story short, ultimately you buy. And that's what this is all about. What we're going to do, you can search for social media influencers. They're offering traffic for pennies on the dollar. For instance, look at this, $25 for 3,500 people. 3,500 people. $10 for 139,000 people. $10 for 112,000 people. $12 for 220,000 people. So they're offering good, valuable, a nice multitude of people to visit your site, visit your post for pennies on the dollar. As I said earlier, this is whether you have a YouTube, you have an Instagram, you have a Facebook. This is valuable quality traffic being directed to you for, again, pennies on the dollar. You look over here, you see the price. I mean, if you're a little overzealous and you want to go big, I mean, you can go for 1.6 million for $200. Me, I would go 220,000 for $12. At the end of the day, as long as you remain consistent, it doesn't matter whether you get yourself 1.6 million people or 220,000 people. As long as you're consistent, you'll see results. Obviously, the results will be a little bit bigger with more people, but this is for beginners. I mean, honestly, if you don't have $10, $12, $5 to buy it for quality traffic, you're not doing generic leads, you're not doing Google ads, you're not putting yourself out there, you should take this way more seriously. But either way, this is high quality traffic for pennies on the dollar. And going back to the Instagram page, what you're going to do is, after you follow these people, after you got your 10 to 15 pages, use Shoutcart, get yourself some traffic, or and what you're going to do is you are going to message those pages. You're going to message those people that you signed up with earlier. So what you're going to do is just simply enough. Let me move my screen. Let me move my screen over. All right. So simply enough, what you're going to do is you're going to message. The message is going to be no more than one sentence long. You're going to say, hey, all right, so a little bit more than one sentence, but either way, what you're going to do, you're going to say, hey, how you doing? I see you're interested in books. I see you promote books. I have some books that I like to promote myself. What are your shout out rates? What are your shout out rates? At the end of the day, you can just say, hey, what are your shout out rates? I have some books that I like to promote, and I like to use your platform to do so. And most of these people, they're charging 10 to 15, the same as you saw on Shoutcart, because again, it's a business. The reason that they take pennies on the dollar is because, as I told you earlier, consistency is what matters. I can charge $1,000. If somebody is crazy enough to pay me $1,000 a day, then I just made $1,000 a day. But at the same time, I can charge 100 people $10. I have 100 people, more traffic, more different sources, and I still make the same amount of money. It may have been made over time, but the money is still made, which is what is the most important. So you're going to send that message to all of the pages, and you're going to wait for them to respond. Once you've signed up with your Audible affiliates from Amazon.com, again, it's something that I've already shown on my YouTube channel. I've also showed you how to take your links. You're going to take those links and you're going to post them on your Instagram page. You're going to give those links to the people that you're asking about the shout out rates. Once they respond back to you, you're going to say, okay, this is the link that I want you to promote. And they're going to put it on their page. And those 200,000 people that they have following them, those 50,000 people, 100,000 people that they have following them are all going to see your promotional link. As long as you make sure that it is in line with the influencer or the page in which you are promoting. You can do this for books. You can do this for health. You can do this for electronics. You can do this for home and garden. You can do this for outdoors, indoors, cats, dogs. It does not matter. Just make sure that the content you're providing is in line with what you're trying, or who you're using to promote, whatever platform you're using. Again, Scipio 8288. Hit the like button below, comment, subscribe, and I will be back with more videos on how to make money online.